How to add YouTube channel to Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can add YouTube channel to Squarespace. How do you do this? One thing you must notice is that you would not be adding YouTube channel to your Squarespace account directly on Squarespace. You'll be making use of another site called elfsite.com. Alright, so once you're logged in into your Squarespace account, just add another tab and then type in www.elfsite.com. Okay, once you type it in, you'll be asked to create an account. Once an account is created, you'll be brought to the catalogs page, and then if you're not on the catalogs page, by the left side of the screen you'll see my apps, templates, deals. All right, ensure you select catalog, and then once you're on this page, you will see a list of widgets that can be added to your Squarespace. Then by the right side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Type out YouTube channel. Then once you type it out, you'll see YouTube gallery here, and then underneath it you'll see display YouTube channels and videos on your website, and that is what you are looking for. You just click on YouTube gallery. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to choose a template. Now here you can select template you want. If you want it to be this template like this, that is this way, or you want it to be as a video grid, or you want it to be single video, depending on what you want. Then once you're done, click on continue with this template. But I would advise you choose this first one since you are trying to add a YouTube channel to your site. So continue template. Then here you add your URL, source. Just play around with all of this to edit it to your taste, and once that is done, by the right side of the screen, that is the top right side of the screen, you see the publish icon. Click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you have to select the plan you want: premium, pro, basic, free. All right, you can just select the free, but for the free you only have 200 views. Okay, if you need more views, you can select any other plan, but for me, I would advise you select the free plan. So if you selected the one you want, your code will be made ready. Copy your code, then go back to your Squarespace account. Once you're back to your Squarespace account, you take it to the website page. Then by the left side, you'll see a menu. Select website, then scroll down and click on website tools, then select code injection. Then here you will see header and footer, that is where you want the code, and then you see log page as well, and all of that. Just select where you want the code to be located. For me, I would be selecting the header here, so just left click this way and paste the code. Once the code is pasted, you would see the save icon come alive at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, your website will be affected, and the YouTube channel link will be added to your website. So you can just go back now to your website, and if you want to confirm, you can click on your website. You would see the where the YouTube channel located at the lower part of the screen. All right, so thanks for watching.